So we'll just go live. Boys and girls. Well, it's not live. We're here with Frank. Yep. Frank's going to be in our videos when we go rally. Just saltyalaskanrambo. That's Frank. Fat Frank. PHAT Frank. So who's Frank?
It's fucking Frank, dude!
What type of fun are we going to have with Frank? I don't know either. We're going to have some fun with Frank. Frank's our friend. Frank's been around a long time. Frank is cool. Quite frankly.
Frank is pretty fat.
Yeah, he's pretty fat. Look at that. Look at that. It's Fat Frank and the soft light. Yeah. Poor Frank. It's alright. He's all about kiss me goodnight and yeah. Oh my goodness. It's a fan of awesomeness. Fat Frank is going to be with us the whole time. Now, he's going to be in here every once in a while. He's got these little legs here. He's like, he gets around. It's like, oh, that's just weird. Poor Frank. Don't worry. It's alright. He's like, dude, go.
Really?
It's for friends.
No, stop it.
It's Fat Frank. Okay.
No, I don't want to dance on my head.
Oh. Well, we'll put him back up here.
Okay.
It'll be alright. He's like, I'm done. And so is she.